Me.
What's it like for you?
You're fucking like well way up.
Hello! 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 Oh, he's got his toes. Aww. Hello!
Should I skin him on camera?
Should you what? Should you what?
What?
Should you what?
Just like kill them and that. Put on YouTube. For the ladies and shit. There we go, 10 hits. 10 hits for that one, yeah?
You don't say for the ladies and shit.
Anyway, if you don't, I'm just gonna go make a shit. Over there. And then clean it up. And here's one for you, apparently. And what, too?
Why are you getting that out?
My legs look massive. Fuck you know.
Mine do.
Shit.
What?
You almost fell down.
Ew.
You did?
No, I didn't.
Fuck you know.
Yeah, we should all put bags on our head.
No hat.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
I'm using the bag now.
That's weird as fuck, innit? See how easy mine goes on than yours?
Let me see mine. Yeah. Look fit. Look, you're about to clean up my sick.
Alright, that's it.
Is that fucking Big Mac condoms are, man? This. Alright. Come on, let's get down now.
Bye.
Bye.